Cookie, and it's time to play Journey to Big Bird with Ernie. Yeah.
Okay, now I gotta go hide somewhere where Ernie won't find me. Oh, the pumpkin. The pumpkin.
No, that's not my color.
No, it's not my color. I gotta find a hiding spot.
No. The wheel of the car.
Okay. Alright, time to count.
Let's see where he hides.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Well, I have a feeling we're not on Sesame Street anymore. Maybe I should ask Cookie Monster. Cookie! Oh, hi, Cookie Monster.
Oh, hi, my name's Cookie. Hi.
Oh, it's me, Ernie. Have you seen Big Bird?
Oh, no, I haven't seen him.
Oh, where is that?
But I have seen, I have a question. Have you seen Cookies? Because I want some.
But do you have a clue of where Big Bird is?
I think he's under somebody's car. I don't know. But
car?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Don't look under there. Dun.
So there's 1 car, 2 car, 3 car, and a 4 car. Let's go look under the third car. Let's see.
I heard Big Bird.
Oh, I heard Big Bird. I heard Big Bird. Let's see what Big Bird is. Big Bird. You hear Big Bird?
La.
Big Bird. Big Bird. Big Bird. Big Bird. We found you. Oh yeah.
Okay, nice. Very nice, Mike. Now you gotta sing the song. Me, you're supposed to sing it. Oh, it's Big Bird. It's me.
I know you anywhere.
I feel your
Yellow feathers
that big
upon your face.
You're happy little with la.
Told us you're the one.
We found them. La la.
Our journey to Big Bird is done.
I like hiding.
Oh man, that was
And I
fun.
like seeking.
Bye. Hope you had fun.